Welcome to the dark side. Alright, so let me explain exactly what we add in here to fill it up. So we have the virtual piano by UJam to kind of fill up some of the low end a little bit and a little high end to reapply reinforcement. That's the word I'm looking for. So it's just reinforce. So here we go. So this is what the Rhodes was playing this, and of course the Rhodes were generated by a chord, the chords that's now inside of Contact 8. It's the chord 2. I just generated that. Y'all saw that in the beginning of the video. And then I added another Jade keys underneath that to kind of fill it up. So this is what it sounds like. That's what the first one. And then I added this on the bottom. It just kind of widened a little bit, like rounded off, so to speak. That was the concept there. The drums, I added addictive drums just to add a little more texture to it. But everything else is handled by the 24 drums. And then completed with the very last 24 key. then what I did was add EQ to curve out some of the nuances of the other drums that was playing before. I added the saturator in the beginning. I left it there just because I thought I was leading with these drums, and then later on put this EQ, kind of curve out some stuff to leave a little room for the very last drums to come in, and I didn't put anything on that. So that's the concept there. And then of course we add brass section in here using Contact is handling everything pretty much. Brass ensemble, and there are staccato. You know what I mean? Then I curved out the highs and the lows just to focus it in the middle. You know, so I added these sounds just to thicken it, and then added a bass, a trusty icon bass. And then I used the Lindale on there. I put this on the bass and the drums and add that smash to it, and it pushes things forward. This is by Plugin Alliance, which is under the Native Instrument name. Yeah, that's what I have so far. It's just a little demo I wanted to play around with and put a perspective to the new keys that we have instead of just showing y'all a bunch of presets. There are two others in this line, which is the Phoenix and the Diamond, and those sound just as good as these. I think these add a different texture. You guys click the link in the description and you can actually click and hear the difference between the different things if you feel like if it's a value or not. That's really up to you. My job is to show you that this is something that's available. It's out there for you to test or buy or whatever you want to do. I keep you guys afloat. The information here in the beat culture. All right. I'm Ellip, Lifestyle Government Art.